Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a British beauty. This is a 1968 Triumph TR250, and today we're going to give you guys a comprehensive walk around and test drive and let you decide if you want to put this in your garage. If you want to see underside shots, a full gallery, click on the link below. Let's do it. All right, let's talk about the overall condition. I would rate this one a 7 out of 10. That's a 70% out of 100. The reason for that rating, there are minor paint imperfections, so I want you guys to look at the gallery. We showcase every single panel so you can see any scratch or imperfection. Top is in great shape, and if you want to see that, click on the link below. It'll have the top up and down, along with the stowage parade boot that's on there right now. Glass is in nice shape, and the overall fit and finish is very nice. Doors do hang a little bit more than normal for the driver and passenger side, so just take note of that when you're looking at it. Mechanically, drives fantastic. The choke works as it should, and the 6-cylinder, the straight 6, runs excellent. Choke it, fire it off, and have fun. Front end is my favorite. So the TR250, along with the Triumph TR6s, have beautiful front ends to begin with, but I love the hood design and how they have the headlights Frenched in with the hood, and when you pop it open, it just looks even better. Your chrome condition is driver quality, minor imperfections, but shows very well. It does have the proper texturing on the bottom here. Your grille surround is very nice, and the headlights and turn signals do operate. Looking at the top of the hood, just minor imperfections in regards to paint, just small little watermarks, etc. We did not buff this car out, but if you do a buff, it's really going to bring it to the next level. It does have a set of Michelin X red line tires, and it has those beautiful center caps right there that look fantastic. Minor wear on some of the edges from putting them on. All of the metal looks good. Minor imperfections once again, so you have small little bubbling right here, and some of the trim areas have little scratches, etc. Mirrors are nice and tight. The rubbers are starting to look a little bit older on the windscreen, but the windscreen itself shows very well. The actual dash is in very nice shape too, as your fold down visors. Opening up the door, you're going to see that the interior is very nice with the white piping. You have the manual transmission set up right there, along with the wood steering wheel, which matches the shifter. Look at how beautiful that wooden dash is. That's real. I do like the Pioneer speakers that they added that are Frenched into the carpet, so they just lay right there and you run the wires. It sounds good. We had the music playing earlier. You have minor imperfections once again, so that rating is because there are small hairline scratches and imperfections throughout. Closing the door, closes nicely. Looking at the rear section, it's very clean. You have your TR250 badge right here. Bright work is driver quality, it's not show quality. You do have a nice little luggage tray, and once again, we're going to go over these imperfections, which you can see in the gallery. There's small scratches right here and a small one right here. So take a look at that. Opening up the gas fill, it's nice and tidy, closes nicely. Your rubber straps for your luggage are starting to show their age. That's a simple piece to replace. Rear bumper chrome is driver quality once again. All of your taillight buckets are in nice shape. To open up the trunk, you're going to release it and then lift up, and there's a small little latch that'll hold it in place. We actually have this tray down right now, but you can see that it's nice and clean, and you have your spare tire stowed underneath here. Metal looks good. To close it, you lift up and it'll close again, and then you just tighten it and it pops into place. It's a nice runner also, so I can put the key in it. Make sure it's in neutral. We just drove it from the other office. Radio operates. So it starts up nicely, has a nice tone. Smells good. Let's take a look at the interior. You don't have to open the door, you can just see inside here. So behind the seats, very nice and tidy. You do have adjustable seats. Carpet is original, or looks to be original, and it has minor wear. Your emergency brake does operate, so I can release it and it will move on its own. Shifter is very nice, and we'll go through the gears later on in the video. The horn does not operate, but our lights do turn on, and you can see the amperage draw. Let's go over the gauges really quick. So we have a fuel gauge that's operating, our charging system's working, temperature is definitely working. We have 45 pounds of oil pressure at the middle of the temperature gauge. Our tachometer operates. Let's see if I can get in here. And by the way, I'm 6 foot, 200 pounds. How good does that sound? You have your wiper controls. I'll keep that down. And then turn signals. Turn signals are operating, I can hear it chiming. What do you say we jump in it and go for a test drive? Before we go for a test drive, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to click like and subscribe below. Let's take this British beauty for a ride. All right, we're going to take the 68 TR250 out. Carburetors feel good so far. There's no dead spots or hesitation at low RPM. Oil pressure is at 75 pounds. Temperature is slowly rising. Tachometer is working. Odometer is showing 10,879 kilometers on it. Throttle's touchy. Seats are comfortable, radio does operate. We'll leave it off so you can hear the exhaust note because this one sounds fantastic. Mirrors are tight. This one's a little bit loose, but that tightens up easy. All right. Nice and smooth. Speedometer is not operating. Lights are turning on. The exhaust note is fantastic. Let's downshift it. We're going to go over the bridge right now. You'll see how the suspension reacts. Steering is tight. It's not loose. Going over the bridge right now. A little bit of traffic here because it's almost lunchtime. Fourth gear at 2,000 RPM. Oh, speedometer's working again. Interesting. So speedo does work intermittently. Wipers operate. Second gear. Brakes are even. Oh boy, we got a super driver here. All right, let's test out the acceleration. You ready? Take a right here. We're going to go over our signature bumps and let you decide if you want to put this in your garage. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. She's peppy. Let's push it through this corner. Lights on, we'll go through the bridge.